If you've ever dreamed of turning your passion for travel into a profitable business, starting a travel agency could be the opportunity you're looking for. In this video, we'll take you through the process of starting a travel agency, one step at a time. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on Entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Understand the travel industry. Every successful business begins with understanding the industry you are about to enter, and a travel agency is no different. Before you start investing money or approaching customers, take time to learn how the travel industry works. Understand the different businesses that make up the industry, including airlines, hotels, resorts, tour operators, cruise companies, travel insurance providers, visa processing services, and transportation companies. Learn how these businesses work together and how travel agencies fit into the ecosystem. It is equally important to understand how travel agencies make money. Some earn commissions from suppliers, while others charge professional service fees or combine several income streams. Studying successful agencies will also help you identify best practices and common mistakes to avoid. The more knowledge you gain at this stage, the easier it becomes to make informed business decisions later. Step 2. Choose your travel agency niche. Once you understand the industry, the next step is deciding exactly what kind of travel agency you want to build. One mistake many new entrepreneurs make is trying to serve everyone. While that may sound like a good idea, it often makes it difficult to stand out in a competitive market. Instead, focus on a niche that matches your interests, experience, and the needs of your target customers. You might specialize in leisure travel, luxury holidays, corporate travel, adventure tourism, destination weddings, educational tours, religious pilgrimages, family holidays, or group travel. Choosing a niche allows you to position yourself as an expert rather than a general service provider. It also makes your marketing more effective because your message speaks directly to a specific audience. As your business grows, you can always expand into other areas, but starting with a clear focus gives you a stronger foundation. Step 3. Develop a business plan. After deciding on your niche, the next step is creating a business plan. Think of this as the blueprint for your travel agency. Without a plan, it becomes much harder to make consistent decisions or measure your progress. Your business plan should clearly define your goals, your target market, the services you intend to offer, and how your agency will generate revenue. It should also include your startup budget, operating expenses, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. While preparing a business plan may seem time-consuming, it helps you identify potential challenges before they become expensive problems. It also becomes an essential document if you intend to apply for funding or attract investors in the future. Step 4. Register your business and meet legal requirements. With your business plan in place, it is time to make your travel agency official. Registering your business demonstrates professionalism and builds trust with both customers and business partners. The exact requirements will depend on the country where you operate, so research the regulations that apply in your jurisdiction. This may include registering your business, obtaining tax identification numbers, securing local operating permits, or applying for licenses required for travel agencies. If you intend to offer specialized services such as travel insurance or immigration-related support, additional legal requirements may apply. Taking the time to comply with the law from the beginning protects your business and gives customers greater confidence in your services. Step 5. Decide how your travel agency will make money. Now that your business is legally established, the next step is deciding exactly how it will generate revenue. Many people assume travel agencies only earn commissions, but modern travel businesses often have several income streams. For example, you may earn commissions from airlines, hotels, cruise companies, and tour operators whenever customers make bookings through your agency. You can also charge service fees for itinerary planning, travel consultations, visa documentation assistance, or customized holiday packages. Having multiple sources of income makes your business more resilient and reduces the risk of depending on a single revenue stream. It also gives you greater flexibility to design services that deliver value while remaining profitable. Step 6. Build relationships with trusted travel suppliers. A travel agency is only as strong as the partners it works with. That is why building reliable supplier relationships should be one of your highest priorities. Identify reputable airlines, hotels, resorts, transport companies, tour operators, cruise providers, and travel insurance companies that have a proven record of delivering quality service. These partnerships allow you to provide customers with reliable options while also giving you access to competitive pricing and exclusive offers. As you continue working with trusted suppliers, your relationships become stronger, opening doors to better commissions, priority support, and opportunities that may not be available to newer agencies. Those partnerships can become one of your biggest competitive advantages. Step 7. Invest in the right technology and business tools. As your agency begins taking bookings, organization becomes increasingly important. Managing customer inquiries, reservations, payments, travel documents, and communication manually can quickly become overwhelming. Investing in reliable business tools allows you to work more efficiently and deliver a better customer experience. Depending on the size of your agency, you may need booking software, customer relationship management systems, accounting software, secure payment platforms, and communication tools that keep your operations running smoothly. Technology also helps reduce costly mistakes, improves response times, and allows you to serve more customers without sacrificing service quality. Step 8. Build a professional brand and online presence. Even the best travel agency will struggle to attract customers if people cannot find it. Before launching, invest time in building a professional brand that communicates trust, reliability, and expertise. Start by creating a business name and logo that reflect your niche and are easy for customers to remember. Then develop a professional website that clearly explains your services, showcases your expertise, and makes it easy for customers to contact you or request quotations. Alongside your website, establish an active presence on social media by sharing useful travel tips, destination guides, industry updates, and helpful content that educates your audience. Instead of focusing only on selling, aim to become a trusted source of travel information. When people see your agency as knowledgeable and reliable, they are far more likely to choose your services when they are ready to travel. Step 9. Develop a marketing strategy that attracts the right customers. Now that your travel agency is properly set up, the next challenge is attracting customers. Even the best travel agency cannot succeed if people do not know it exists. That is why you need a marketing strategy that consistently puts your business in front of your ideal clients. Start by identifying where your target customers spend their time. If you specialize in corporate travel, LinkedIn and business networking events may be more effective than other social platforms. If your focus is family holidays or luxury travel, visual platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube can help you showcase destinations and travel experiences that inspire potential customers. Your marketing should educate as much as it promotes. Share destination guides, travel tips, visa updates, packing advice, and seasonal travel opportunities. Useful content builds trust, positions your agency as an expert, and gives people a reason to remember your business when they are ready to travel. At the same time, encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and recommend your services to others. Word-of-mouth referrals remain one of the most powerful marketing tools in the travel industry because people naturally trust recommendations from those they know. Step 10. Deliver exceptional customer service. Attracting customers is important, but keeping them is even more valuable. In the travel business, exceptional customer service is often what separates agencies that struggle from those that continue to grow through repeat business and referrals. Traveling can be exciting, but it can also be stressful. Flights are delayed, travel plans change, documents go missing, and unexpected situations arise. During these moments, your customers need reassurance, timely communication, and practical solutions. Respond to inquiries promptly, communicate clearly throughout the booking process, and remain available to assist customers before, during, and after their trips. When challenges occur, focus on solving problems rather than assigning blame. A customer who feels supported during a difficult situation is far more likely to return for future bookings and recommend your agency to family, friends, and colleagues. Building strong relationships with your clients creates loyalty that advertising alone cannot buy. Step 11. Manage your business finances carefully. As bookings begin to increase, managing your finances becomes one of your most important responsibilities. Many businesses fail, not because they lack customers, but because they fail to manage cash flow effectively. Keep accurate records of your income and expenses from the very beginning. Separate your personal finances from your business finances by using a dedicated business account, and monitor your profitability regularly to understand how your agency is performing. It is also wise to set aside funds for taxes, operational expenses, marketing, and unexpected situations that may affect the travel industry. Reviewing your financial performance regularly allows you to identify opportunities to reduce costs, improve pricing, and invest in areas that will help your business grow. Strong financial discipline gives your travel agency the stability it needs to survive challenging periods and take advantage of new opportunities when they arise. Step 12. Stay informed and adapt to industry changes. The travel industry is constantly evolving. Customer preferences change, technology advances, regulations are updated, and global events can influence how people travel. To remain competitive, you must be willing to keep learning and adapting. Follow industry news, monitor emerging travel trends, and stay informed about changes that may affect your customers. This includes visa policies, airline regulations, travel advisories, health requirements, and new tourism opportunities. Continuing your professional development is equally important. Attend industry events, participate in training programs, build relationships with other professionals, and invest in expanding your knowledge. The more informed you are, the better equipped you will be to advise your clients and position your agency as a trusted expert. Businesses that embrace change are often the ones that continue to grow, even in challenging economic conditions. Step 13. Build a reputation before you scale. As your agency becomes more established, you may be tempted to expand quickly. While growth is important, it should never come at the expense of service quality. Focus first on building a strong reputation. Deliver consistently excellent service, honor your commitments, communicate honestly, and always put your customers' interests first. A reputation built on trust takes time to establish, but it becomes one of your most valuable business assets. Once your systems are working efficiently, and your customer base is growing steadily, you can begin expanding your services, hiring staff, opening additional locations, or serving new markets with confidence. Sustainable growth is almost always more profitable than rapid expansion without proper planning. Starting a travel agency is about much more than booking flights and hotels. It is about creating memorable experiences, solving travel challenges, and helping people explore the world with confidence. Like every successful business, it begins with careful planning, a clear strategy, and a commitment to delivering value. You do not need to complete every step overnight. What matters is taking deliberate action and building your business on a solid foundation. The entrepreneurs who succeed are often those who remain patient, continue learning, and consistently deliver value to their customers. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on Entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. If you would like to explore this topic in greater detail, including practical insights and additional resources, read the complete guide on our website at https://entrepreneurs.ng/travel-business-ideas/. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel for more practical business education, entrepreneurship insights, and profitable business opportunities. Share this video with someone who is planning to start a travel agency, and let us know in the comments what type of travel business you would like to build. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.